Hello and welcome to another CF PowerScripts tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Taboola lead tracking to your funnels in ClickFunnels with CF PowerScripts. And as always, in order to get started, you will need to log into your CF PowerScripts account. Once in there, from the dashboard, head to the PowerScripts section and then head to the funnel where you want to enable the lead tracking. In my case, I'm going to pick our development funnel here. And as you can see, I've already added the Taboola pixel, which is a requirement for the lead tracking to work. Now you could theoretically add the lead tracking script here to your entire funnel, but it actually makes more sense to add it specifically to your opt-in page or your two-step order form. So I'm going to click on the opt-in page, click here on Add New, look for the Taboola lead tracking script, and as you can see, we need a conversion name and a conversion ID. For that, you'll need to go to taboola.com, log into your account, and go to conversions within the Taboola pixel section. And here you will need to create a new conversion or use one of your existing conversion events. For that, we'll click on New Conversion, and here we select Type Event because we want to fire an event. And you can select the lead event from the Choose Event section. And this will automatically give the conversion a name, in that case lead, and an event name, which is what actually will be tracked in the backend. You can assign a value to it if your leads actually come at a value. So for example, if you are collecting leads and selling them to another company, you would basically enter the value or the price for each lead in here, followed by setting up your conversion window and other settings to your liking. Now down here where you see your embed code, there are two things that we need. The first one is the ID, so the number that's mentioned here, which we need to copy and enter as the conversion ID. And the second thing we need is the conversion name, which is also listed here as event name, so you can just copy it from here. Now once we have those two pieces, we can simply click on Add Script, and we can also then create the conversion in Taboola. Although as you can see, the event name has to be unique, and I already have an event called lead, so I'm going to rename that one to lead test. And in that case, I also need to update the PowerScript here. Save again, go back and create the conversion. And with that in place, we can now open our funnel step by clicking on the shortcut icon here and clicking on Open Live Funnel Step. Now on the new Open Funnel Step, we can already see, thanks to the Taboola Pixel Helper Chrome extension, that the pixel has been found and the page view event has been recorded. And when we now scroll down and actually opt in here, we could briefly see the number 2 flash here because it recorded the lead event. And when we click on it, we can also see our previous page pixels, and we see that the lead event has tracked properly. There's also a chance that instead of a green check mark, you'll actually see a yellow icon here, which will just indicate that the tracking took a little bit longer than usual, but it still will track your leads properly. Now that's pretty much it. That's how easy you can add Taboola lead tracking to your funnels in ClickFunnels thanks to CF PowerScripts. As always, thanks for watching, and even more so, thanks for using CF PowerScripts. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye-bye.